Cazena Instant Data Lake accelerates the time to analytics for data lakes from months to minutes without requiring the operational expertise. Let me show it to you with a demo. To start using the Cazena Data Lake, you will fire up the Cazena console and you'll be prompted for this login screen. The entire data lake has a single sign-on system with a strong authentication. This is a private SaaS data lake provisioned just for you. Once I provide my login credentials or use the single sign-on with an Active Directory, I'm now in the Cazena console. This is a production quality data lake that is completely orchestrated via automation with no manual configuration needed, all the way from the enterprise connectivity through our IPsec-based firewalls to the data analytics stack and engines like Spark, cloud account setup and storage, SQL tools, notebook environments are all provisioned and managed for you. So the first important thing to note is that this is the first end-to-end data lake that is orchestrated via automation in a turnkey manner, and it takes only about 20 minutes to launch. Once you have the data lake, what do you do next? As a data scientist or data engineer, your biggest challenge is whether you can bring your favorite analytic tools or any popular tools for BI or machine learning. In the Cazena console, these services are presented to you in a menu of tiles. As a data engineer, you may choose from a variety of tools for data ingest. Let's take an example of StreamSets as a popular third-party tool for ingesting data. The nice thing about the Cazena Data Lake is that your cluster and ingest tools are seamlessly connected to your enterprise data, if you remember from the platform diagram. You just point your data source to the on-prem enterprise database, select the columns that you want to ingest, maybe add any transformations like removing PII information, and the data seamlessly lands in the data lake, updating your data catalog in a secure and seamless manner. Once you have this data, as a data scientist, you may want to start using SQL tools for exploration. Let's take an example of few. And there's the data that we just ingested. That's how easy it is to use any popular tools or plug in your own. We also package Jupyter Hub if you are a data scientist who wants to run Python or PySpark notebooks. We also make it easy to add or integrate any new services and tiles and bring any best of the breed third-party tools or cloud native tools. So let's say you are a data scientist who needs to run cloud native ML tools like SageMaker. We make that easy too. By the way, all of these tools are connected via common single sign-on for authentication, authorization for a secured encrypted access. You do not have to worry about identities across tools all the way to the cloud level. Now, what if you want to connect your desktop BI tool to the data lake? We make that easy too. For example, let's say you have Power BI or Tableau that you want to connect to your data lake. It's as easy as pointing a data source to the data lake with a SQL engine of your choice and start visualizing data in seconds. While we are looking at these data analytic tools, this data lake is also being continuously monitored and optimized for you. A big challenge with enterprise data lakes is cost, security, and performance. With Cazena expertise, you do not have to worry about it. We are continuously monitoring and optimizing the health, availability, cost, workloads, and security for you. Once again, coming back to the 3 key points. Cazena is the first instant data lake completely orchestrated as turnkey SaaS, and it is ready for you in minutes instead of months. It provides an easy-to-use console for self-service analytics for data scientists and data engineers without worrying about platform complexity. You start performing analytics on your data lake in minutes. Finally, you don't have to worry about operations, infrastructure, or security because it is a key part of the Cazena Instant Data Lake. And you could give it a try yourself by visiting cazena.com.